According to John D'Souza, the so-called aliens are in fact extra-dimensional beings created by demons, while most of the UFOs that have been observed are man-made, reverse-engineered UFOs made by what he calls the Cabal. The Cabal have made a quid pro quo agreement with the demon aliens that the demons give the Cabal advanced technology such as UFOs. In exchange, the Cabal let the demonic aliens abduct human beings for some sort of breeding program. D'Souza is of the belief that the Cabal are going to use their armada of reverse-engineered UFOs to launch a worldwide false flag alien invasion similar to the blockbuster movie Independence Day from 1996, and defeat their own UFOs and install themselves as the rulers of a totalitarian one-world government.